Does your Dyson battery die very quickly? Ours does. This is kind of our garage Dyson because of the fact it dies so quickly. What we're gonna do today is use this Milwaukee battery conversion so we can run Milwaukee batteries and get more than a 3-minute runtime out of this D7. I believe it's a D7 Dyson. Here are the instructions. You can throw those away because me and Connor are gonna teach you. First, we're gonna locate the screw hole on the back right here, and we're gonna take that screw out.
Okay, let's put a screw in there. And then let's put a screw in.
That out.
Okay.
This unit's pretty dirty, guys, but there's 2 more screws, one here and one here that you need to remove. Take that battery out.
Okay.
Lift this part out. Nice. Now put our new one in. Here's the new one.
I'll put it in.
This part goes like that. Now we're gonna screw this one in. Now we're gonna use the 3 provided screws to replace the 3 that we took out. Now we're gonna throw away our original Dyson battery and our old screws. And we're gonna get a Milwaukee battery. So this kit does come with other battery adapters other than Milwaukee, but try it out. It works.
Okay, let's vacuum.
Vacuum something.
It works.
Try it again.